It's a cold February day, guys, and the Expedition won't go into gear. I am going to show you how you can get yourself going and then hopefully how to fix it so it won't happen again. The first thing you're probably going to want to do is grab this and start trying to get it to work. Don't do that. Don't touch that at all. So to get yourself going, what you want to do is pretend like you're a drummer from the 80s. And just start hitting your brake rapidly. If you got somebody that you can spot for you, watch for the brake lights to come on. Once you see you got brake lights, you'll be able to put it in gear, no problem. All right, if that got you going, then this is more than likely your problem. The switch was bad. So this is the permanent fix. Get yourself a new switch. Here is the number for it. You can pick these up at almost any auto parts place. I'll put a link in the description from Amazon for one as well. Get yourself a set of pliers. It makes turning this a little bit easier. You'll see that in a minute. And then a little screwdriver for pushing the tab. Let's go get it fixed. Okay, so you can see the switch is right here. This is the brake pedal lever. And so basically you got to just turn that, not even a quarter turn hardly. Unfortunately, everything is very cold right now. So I'm just going to take my little pliers and turn it. There we go. That lets it drop down. And then you can see our little wiring harness right there. Now I need to use the screwdriver, which actually I have the camera propped on. On our wiring harness, you can see right here on this, on the wire end of it, there's just a little tab, and you push that down. And if you get it with your thumb, it'll pop right out. So now we just reverse that, put the new one in. Let's see if it works. So brake off, brake pedal down, works no problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Give me a thumbs up if it did.